Hey, this is the very first video for my class, so welcome to Earth Space. This should have been on the board when you walked in the door. Hopefully, you found a seat, someone to work with. So, this is our very first unit. It's a unit 0 because it's a learn how to do this thing. And so, every unit will have a lessons slide and it will have where you can hit your different lessons and it'll take you directly to the lessons for that particular um, place and time. Every unit will have a objectives and it will kind of give you an idea why are we doing this unit. It'll tell you what types of things that we expect. Sometimes every lesson will have a specific unit, but this is only a 3-day unit, so it's going to be very quick. I want you to be able to explain how this class works and where you can go to find things, or at least where you yourself can go if you have questions, you're at home trying to figure things out. And this will also let me learn about each student individually so I can help you more individually, which is a good thing. We've already done this intro activity before you've gotten to the video. If you clicked on lesson 1, you have gotten straight here to the real first lesson. And so the real first lesson is the syllabus. And we picked up the paper copy of the syllabus. And I want you to take that home, get your parents to sign it. But also I want you to be able to find where is the syllabus if I'm not at school and it's 3 weeks in and I don't remember anything about what was on the syllabus. It was 3 weeks ago, right? Okay, so the easiest place to find the syllabus, I would say personally, is Earth This Week. So I would click on Earth This Week. Okay, here's Earth This Week. It's going to be a very useful place for you to be. You're going to see that here is the agenda. It's going to tell us what we're doing on the day. It's going to have the links to the unit that we're working on. And it should tell us what we picked up and what we were expected to do in class. Okay, so scroll further down. Parent and guardian corner. Here's the interactive syllabus. Here's the parent letter, which you also picked up today. Here's the units that we will be working on in the first few weeks here. Unit 0 and Unit 1. So click on the interactive syllabus and it will take you to here. This is going to tell you and your parents how to get in touch with me. We've got the phone number. We've got the email. Remember, you can also get in touch on Schoology. So feel free to do whichever method is easiest for you, email or Schoology. Okay. Web page. This is the go-to place. That's why we went there first. Schoology will also have all the information you need. There'll be a separate video on that. I want to focus on the syllabus right now. Textbook, course materials. Important, very important. This year, I'm requiring a binder. It can be a 1-inch, it can be an 1.5-inch binder. Those are the smaller ones. There's no reason to have a huge binder just for Earth Space, but I want you to have a binder just for Earth Space. There's the other recommended things that I really hope that you have. Earphones are going to be very useful because there's going to be times you need to watch the video lectures. Again, binders are very important because the notes are going to be in your binders. And I'm going to be checking past notes as well. So this is going to be 10% of your grade. So we want to make sure that we know where our notes are. Binders can be left in the classroom. So if you're afraid that you're going to forget it or whatever, I'll have a shelf just for our class. So no excuse not to have a binder. I have extra binders in my room if you need them. As you can tell, we're going to need electronic devices in the classrooms. Cell phones not to be used during normal class time. Okay? Is there ever going to be a time when you can use a cell phone? Yes. When? Check out the electronic policy, read it. If you're using it inappropriately, the phone will go to the office. That's the short of it, okay? Ask me if you have questions on that, okay? In class work, 30% of your grade. I don't have homework. You work in class. That is why cell phones are not to be out during normal class time. They're distractions. Tests and quizzes are 60% of your grade. 60% tests and quizzes. Wait, I don't do well on tests and quizzes. What? Okay, let's not freak out. Okay, I don't give you busy work. All the assignments and the classwork and the notes are to help you learn what's going to be on those tests and quizzes. The quizzes are open notes. You don't have your notes, you're not going to be able to do well on the quizzes. Hence the binders. You can also do test corrections. Test corrections will get you back 50% of your grade. For some people, this is going to be the difference between passing and not passing the class. Okay? I love the idea of choice in my class. Even in this assignment, you're going to see times when you can choose what things you want to do to get things done in this unit, I should say, not in this class. Make sure you keep up on things. We're going to talk about how easy it is to keep up on things. If you go to how do I self-pace? If I go to how do I self-pace, there'll be a video there that's going to go into how do I keep up and how do I find things. Simple behavior guidelines. Be respectful, be responsible. Uh, Please don't procrastinate because this is going to be work at your own pace. It is work at a pace, not stopping. And here is the flight plan. Here's what we're studying when we're studying it. And here's the useful links. Okay? So all of this is in the interactive syllabus. It is found on Earth This Week. It is also in the help folder on Earth Science and Schoology. And that is all I'm going to say about the syllabus. And I will talk to you soon.